student of law. I and also in search to get some work from home or anything like that to support my educational fee. That's why I want to improve my English so I can get some work from home to support my education financially by myself. That's all.
Okay, yes, well done. So, like if we are doing, we are going to do anything like learning English or any task it may be in our life. So there may be one purpose. Like you also told the purpose. You are a student of BA LLB. So there needs to
Yes,
be
sir.
the communication skill is one of the most important skill in your field, because we have
Yes,
to
sir.
talk, we have to present.
Yes, sir. We have to
Yes.
argue.
We have to argue also. We have to read
Yes,
the
sir.
mindset of the front people, what he is saying,
Yes, sir.
and what my reply will be there. So, okay, Rukhsar Sheikh, yes, like, yes, you can do, like, I want to improve. So, you are improving. And if we are going to learn any skill, you will get the benefit in the future. So, it may be one of the reason you can also take. Okay, so Mr. Hamdan Abdurrahman, MD Arif, Ruksha Sheikh, Iram Rizvi. So there are five students they joined, and I think Noor Muhammad will not join today's class because he said like I am hospitalized. So should we start our today's class, Mr. Abdurrahman? How are you?
Yes, I am fine. And you, my brother?
Yes, I am also fine. Great, fantastic. So yesterday
Oh,
you were busy, I think.
yes, yes, yes. I was busy in my work.
Okay. So, Mr. Abdurrahman, you are doing a great work. You are running an NGO.
Yes, 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 my
Okay.
brother.
Okay. So now today is the test, like MD Arif and Abdurrahman, and Mr. Hamdan. Like I think he has didn't prepare his chapter. Mr. Hamdan, have you prepared for second and third chapter?
Second and third, yeah, third and fourth.
First, second, third, and fourth.
Yes, third and fourth. I am prepare only parts of speech.
No, after parts of speech we have to prepare, because we are taking two chapters test. We have done
Yes,
first and second, then third and fourth, then fifth and sixth. Like this, we are taking the test. So if you didn't prepare, just be there. And Mr. Abdurrahman, have you prepared?
Yes, I have prepared parts of speech.
And next chapter,
I don't, I do not prepared.
why?
I have not prepared this next
Why you
chapter.
didn't
I don't know
prepare
about.
the second chapter? Because I have already told in the group, like you have to prepare both the chapters, because there will be one test today.
I understand that exam has completed before yesterday.
No, we didn't complete it. So Mr. Sheikh MD Arif, what should we do right now?
Right now I'm traveling. Still I am joining your session. So there's a lots of voice. So after 30 minutes, I will reach that 15 minutes maybe. I reach the home. So I will speak. So we will be
Okay,
discuss about.
okay. So like there was Mr. Noor Muhammad in the class, and so he may be like he's not present today. So I think Mr. Abdurrahman, can you prepare like tomorrow, so we can do the test tomorrow?
Yes. Inshallah, inshallah. Tomorrow I'll give you test.
Okay. So just prepare the third and fourth. Okay. And Mr. Hamdan, you
Okay.
have to also prepare the third and fourth.
okay.
Okay. Because we are doing the test. So let's start our class, today's class.
Okay.
Yes. So just be there. We are going to learn, and tomorrow there will be one test. And Sheikh Asif, Mr. Hamdan, and Abdul Rahman. Okay, you have to give the test. So just tomorrow you don't have to say like I didn't prepare the second chapter. Okay,
Yes,
understand
yes.
or not?
Yes,
And
tomorrow I'll not tell you
yes,
like that.
okay. So
Tomorrow,
now,
inshallah, I will prepared examination third and fourth chapters.
okay, yes, you have to prepare the third and fourth, and there will be one speaking part also in the test. Okay, like in the first test, you have
Okay.
given the MCQ test. 30 question were there, and one speaking question. So now there will be three topics. On any one topic, you can try to speak. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So now we
Okay.
started
Okay.
our sixth chapter, which is about the demonstrative pronoun. So Mr. Iram Rizvi and Rukhsar Sheikh, like you have to just go with the old students. So if we have time on Sunday, so we will prepare the second chapter. Okay. Like first chapter we have completed.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Now you have to listen this, and on Sunday, Rukhsar
sir.
Sheikh and Iram Rizvi, you both will join the class, and we will learn and continue further chapters. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Understand?
Okay, sir. But uh, yes, sir. Sir, but that chapter was completed on that day, na? Or not?
Yes. No. Like, what do you want to ask?
Sir, I want to ask that demonstrative on that day you taught us, but I thought that it was completed.
No. We left in between. There are some more things.
Okay, sir.
Yes, like we completed from till there, like pronoun use. Now we have to read from there, like demonstrative pronouns and numbers. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
now this is a regular class which we are taking. So this is the sixth chapter. So you can continue from there. And on Sunday, every Sunday, we are going to read which is the chapter we left, like second, third, fourth, fifth, like this. And after second chapter, there will be one test. Okay, because we have to also memorize and learn everything. If there will be no test,
Yes.
you are not going to read. I know, because in school and in university also we are doing, if there will be any sessional or any exam, so we are going to read book, otherwise we are not reading. So because of
Yes, sir.
this, I just put there will be 30 questions, MCQ test will be there of two chapters, and there will be one practice of speaking practice also, where you have to record your video and you have to speak on the particular topic. Okay. So this is very
Okay, sir.
helpful to evaluate, like you are doing great, but where we have to improve, so we have to check. So now let's start from there, like demonstrative pronouns and the numbers. Okay, singular. Yes, Mr. Hamdan, can you read from there like singular?
Uh, 1 minute.
Okay.
Singular, this and that.
Yes.
Plural, these and those.
Yes.
Examples, this book is mine.
Hmm.
Meaning of mine, I am not remember.
Mine, mera, hamara.
Mera.
Yes.
That chair is broken.
My,
These
do you know
books
about
are
my?
mine.
Do you know about my?
मैं
My मतलब हमारा, मेरा. So mine ये
हाँ
objective form है. माई का माइन ये ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म है, ठीक है, और माई ये सब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म है. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Okay.
यस.
Yes.
दैट चेयर इज ब्रोकन.
Is that chair is broken.
यस.
These books are mine. Those chairs are broken.
Okay. So do you understand like what we are learning here? We are learning about the demonstrative pronoun. So do you know about the demonstrative pronoun? What is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun क्या होता है? सिंपल वर्ड में बता सकते हो?
Hmm,
Yes, simple word में demonstrative pronoun are the word we are using to indicate with any object.
any object.
Demonstrative pronoun क्या है? कुछ वर्ड हैं जिसको हम यूज करते हैं इंडिकेट करने के लिए, किसी चीज की तरफ इशारा करने के लिए, बताने के लिए, उसको डिमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन बोलते हैं. जैसे दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज, ये चार हैं पॉपुलरली जो यूज होते हैं. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड?
These, yes.
Because I think you were missing lots of classes, so you didn't understand, like you didn't read from the first, so you have to go and read this chapter from the starting. Okay,
Okay.
after
This
the class
chapter
you can
are
read, after the class you can read from the starting, you and Mr. Abdurrahman also.
this PDF sent in this group.
I have already sent it in the group. Okay, again I will send. So now you understand like singular, this, that, plural, these, those. There are some examples also. This book is mine. ये किताब मेरी है. So this, what is this? This is demonstrative pronoun. This is we are using to just indicate like this book, ये book हमारी है. And that we are using that like any object is far, but it is also singular. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट जो दूर हो उसके लिए हम बोलते हैं दैट चेयर इज ब्रोकन, वो चेयर जो है वो टूटी है. दीज बुक्स आर माइन. दीज ऑल्सो डिमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. दीज किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? प्लूरल के लिए, बहुत सारी चीजें हो और वो भी पास में हो. दीज बुक्स आर माइन, ये सारी किताबें मेरी हैं. दीज बुक्स आर माइन. दोज, दोज वी आर यूजिंग जो दूर हो और बहुत सारे हो. Those chairs are broken. So now I think everyone understand like these four demonstrative pronoun. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
I am not getting any response.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am getting. I am
Yes.
understanding this word.
Okay. So Mr. Abdurrahman, can you
Demonstrative.
give two examples of like those? More two examples. Where,
Those,
how you are going to make sentences?
those are children.
Yes.
Those are children's. Those are children's.
Yes. Those are children's.
Uh,
And
Those are teachers.
those are
Those
teachers.
are these are teachers.
No, I said you have to give the examples of those. These का नहीं देना, those का ही देना. Those are teachers. You can say, okay. So
Those
when
are
you are
teachers,
going to,
okay.
yes, I think everyone understand like how we are going to use these demonstrative pronoun. Now let's read from there. Mr. Abdurrahman, can you read? And now Mr. Abdurrahman, you have to read correctly because with good pronunciation. From there, like students must remember that from there you can read.
Students must remember that this and that are singular, while these and those are plural. This rule is one of the most common grammar points in this chapter.
Yes.
7. Demonstrative pronoun.
Demonstrative pronouns.
Demonstrative pronoun and distance.
Distance.
Distance. demonstrate, demonstrative pronoun also show distance from the speaker,
Yes.
near, this, these, far, like that, those
Yes. Now let's
examples.
okay, okay. So you have you understand like what you read there? Have you understand? This is
Yes, yes,
easy. I think you have understood. Like this and that are singular. जो this है और that है ये
single.
singular है. If you are going to use this and that, you have to use the helping verb, singular helping verb, and singular object also. And these or those plural. You have to remember this, okay? And for near, this and these, far, that and those. Let's read examples, Mr. Abdul Rahman.
This is my pen. These are my pens. That is your bag. Those are your bags. Grammar.
Okay.
This
Yes.
this idea of near and far help student us. This idea of near and
Use.
far helps student use demonstrative pronouns correctly in both speaking and writing. It also makes explanation 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 easier when teachers use real objects in the classroom.
Yes.
Eight
Okay.
number.
Okay. Okay. Done. Done, Mr. Abdurrahman. So today you speak very well. Okay. Now there was everything good. Yes. So now let's read uses of demonstrative pronouns. Uses like where we are going to use the demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Like pointing to objects. Like we are going to read like where we are going to use the demonstrative pronoun. उसका use क्या है? कहाँ कहाँ use करेंगे हम? So can Mr. Iram Sheikh, can you Iram Rizvi, can you read it?
Yes, sir. One
Okay.
minute.
Please read from there.
Yes, sir. Wait, I will read.
Okay. So if you can't read now, so
Uses of
Rukhsar Sheikh can read.
demonstrative.
Okay. Yes.
No, no, sir. I'm reading.
Okay.
Uses of demonstrative pronouns pointing to objects. This is my phone, that is her bag. Showing people, this is my friend, those are my cousins. Identifying ideas, this is important, that is a good idea. Referring to time, this is my first day, that was a great moment. In conversation, this is what I mean, those were the rules.
Okay, okay, great, done. So, like we learn here uses of demonstrative pronoun. Like we are learning about demonstrative pronoun. So इसको use कहाँ करना है? इसका use कहाँ कहाँ होगा? Let's see. First, pointing to object. Like this is the one object. So object को point करने के लिए use करेंगे. This is my phone. ठीक है? That is her bag. वहां पे किसी का बैग रखा है, मैंने बोला that is her bag. So first पॉइंटिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स. सेकंड क्या है? शोइंग पीपल, लोगों को दिखाने के लिए कि कोई बंदा है, दिस इज माई फ्रेंड एंड दोज आर माई कजिन्स. सो शोइंग पीपल. एंड थर्ड, आइडेंटिफाइंग आइडियाज. ओके, लाइक दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट आइडिया को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, दैट इज गुड आइडिया. रिफरिंग टू टाइम, टाइम को रिफर करने के लिए भी हम बोलते हैं, लाइक दिस इज माई फर्स्ट डे or that was a great moment, referring to time, that was a great moment in my childhood, that was a great moment when I was living in Varanasi. So you referring time, you can also use demonstrative. And in conversations, like this is what I mean, or those are the rules. So in conversation also we are going to use the demonstrative pronoun. You have to read it by yourself also. Okay, demonstrative pronouns in daily life. So students and teacher demonstrative in school, home, shops, roads, everywhere we are going to use the demonstrative pronoun. So there are 40 model sentences. So Mr. Rukshar Sek, can you read it? Yes, please read, because we don't have lots of time. If I'm going to say like you can read, so please read.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
40
This
model
is my pen.
sentences. This,
This is my pen.
yes.
This is a new bag. This
Okay.
is a my book. This is a red shirt. This is a my seat. This is a her idea. This is a big house. This is our classroom. This is the answer. This is his toy. That
Okay. Yes,
that
yes,
is
this.
my house.
So, like you read like 10 sentences are there using this. So, what do you understand
Okay.
by this? Like 40 model sentences, this. Like this जो word है demonstrative pronoun है, उसको कहाँ use करना है, उसके बाद क्या होगा? So, think like this is. ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब है जो कि सिंगुलर के लिए यूज होता है, इज,
This
माई पेन, दिस इज. सो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस, सो देर विल बी इज, दिस इज, दिस इज, दिस इज, नॉट दिस आर. Okay, this is my bag, this is my
no.
bottle, this is my charger, this is my
This
laptop. So you can tell everything. This is my fan. ओके, दिस इज मतलब ये चीज मेरी है. एंड नाउ, और ये चीज मेरी है सिंगुलर, बट कोई नजदीक में होगी उसके लिए, नियर, नियर टू यू. आपके पास में नजदीक कोई रखी है जो एक्सेस में हो, लाइक यू कैन एक्सेस इजिली फ्रॉम योर हैंड, सो हम उसको दिस बोलेंगे. और सिंगुलर एंड नियर, जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस क्यों यूज करते हैं, सिंगुलर के लिए और नियर के लिए. नाउ लेट्स रीड अबाउट दैट.
okay. That is my house.
Okay.
That is a mango tree.
Okay.
That is his car. That is your notebook. That is a tall building. That is the right door. That is her bag. That is a good film. That is an old chair. That is my brother.
Okay, yes, well done. You speak very well. Okay, so now that we are also using for singular, but it will be far. ये दूर होगा, so हम उसके लिए यूज करेंगे that. सिंगुलर के लिए यूज करेंगे that is my house. So यहाँ पे एक्सेस में नहीं है वो चीज. जैसे मैं बोलूंगा that is my friend's house, जो दूर होगी थोड़ा हम इशारे से बोलते हैं that is my house, that is a mango tree. Okay, now I hope you understand this is a basic thing which we already learn in the school, but we are just going through out there, and we have to practice. Okay, so this and that we learn. Now let's see about these. So we are using these for plural. Okay, like there will be are, these are, these are, these are. So we are using are for plural. These are my pens, ये मेरे पेन्स हैं, and these are new books, these are. So if you are going to use these, there will be are, these are the rules, these are their toys. And for near, विच इज इन योर एक्सेस, कोई चीज तुम्हारी एक्सेस में होगी जो पास में होगी, सो उसके लिए तुम बोलेगे दीज आर माई कीज, दीज आर माई कीज, दीज आर माई बुक्स, दीज आर माई नोटबुक्स. एंड इफ एनीथिंग विल बी फार, लाइक कोई चीज दूर रखी होगी, प्लूरल होगी, उसके लिए तुम यूज करोगे दोज आर माई शूज, those are old houses, those are their pens, those are the students. So you can read it. Okay, you have to just read, and there are some common errors also I have included. Some common errors, let's see. Common errors like students often confuse demonstrative pronouns with number and distance. नंबर में और डिस्टेंस में बहुत बार लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. द मोस्ट कॉमन एरर इज यूजिंग सिंगुलर फॉर्म्स फॉर प्लूरल नाउन और यूजिंग सिंगुलर फॉर्म्स फॉर सिंगुलर नाउन्स. लेट्स सी द मिस्टेक्स लाइक रॉन्ग नंबर, इनकरेक्ट. These is my pen. These is my pen. So this is incorrect. You don't have to say like this. This is my pen. You have to say like this is my pen or these are my pens. Are you getting or not? आपको समझ में आया कि इसमें
Yes, I am
मिस्टेक क्या है या
understanding.
एरर क्या
I
है?
am getting. यहाँ पर दिस एरर है,
यस,
होना चाहिए दिस.
दिस होना चाहिए दिस,
ओके,
लेकिन इसमें दिस लिखा है.
यस. And the second sentence is like that are my books. So what is incorrect in this?
That is incorrect.
Okay,
That
यहाँ पर those are my books होना चाहिए.
yes. So those क्यों यूज करना है? क्योंकि वो far from you, तुमसे दूर है ना? So there are lots of wrong, like there is a wrong distance, like this is used for far things. And there are lots of like wrong sentences, wrong distance, confusing singular and plural. Like those is my friend. This is my friend. These are, no, these are. So you have to read. There are lots of examples over there, like missing noun clarity, mixing pronoun and adjective uses. So error correction practice is there. हमने यहाँ पे error correction भी है, like this is my pen, no, this is wrong. This is my pen, no, this is my pen. So you can read this PDF, and also there is a worksheet set 1, like we have to identify, like write S for singular and P for plural. And worksheet 2 is also there, like you have to use this, that, these or those. Okay, like you can make like is my pencil. So what you will use there? Yes, Mr. Hamdan, what
This
will you
is-
use?
this is my pencil.
Yes, this is my pencil. Why you use this? This क्यों use कर रहे हो यहाँ पे? बोलो ना, क्योंकि ये मतलब हमें
Helping
नियर
verb
के लिए
is that?
बताना है, सिंगुलर है, इसलिए हम यूज कर रहे हैं. दिस इज माई पेंसिल, पेंसिल सिंगुलर है, सो हमें दिस ये नियर के लिए बताना है, तो इसलिए हम यूज कर रहे हैं दिस. एंड आर माई शूज, यस मिस्टर अब्दुल रहमान, आर माई शूज, व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू यूज?
Those are my
Those
Those
are
are my
my
shoes.
shoes. Yes, good. So is your bag? Yes, Rukshar Sheikh. Which demonstrative pronoun you are going to use there in third sentence? Hello. What you are going to use in third sentence is your bag. Yes.
My friend.
Which?
This is your bag.
Okay, this is your bag.
Singular.
Okay,
Singular
yes.
है, I think.
And
Singular.
yes, are our books. Iram Rizvi, which demonstrative pronoun you are going to use there in four sentence? In four
Sir,
sentence.
these. Sir, these are books.
These are our books. ये सारी हमारी books हैं,
Yes.
है ना? So now I hope you understand about the demonstrative pronoun, and you are not going to make any mistake in demonstrative pronoun. You have to read this PDF again by yourself, then you are going to understand. So there is a worksheet 3, like this and these you have to use. Like this is my pen, and those are my shoes, and this is a red apple. Okay, so you have to just do and complete all these worksheet. So there are multiple worksheet I have added in this chapter, like worksheet 6, like write 2 sentences for each situations, Show your notebook. And worksheet set 7, passage based practice is also there. Read the passage and answer. Like, this is my classroom, that is the notice board, these are my books, those are the students from another class, this is a clean and quiet room. So there is a one passage which is related to our our daily life, our daily situation. So find two singular demonstrative pronoun, दो सिंगुलर डिमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन फाइंड आउट करना है. यस मिस्टर अब्दुल रहमान, कैन यू फाइंड आउट टू सिंगुलर डिमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन इन दिस पैसेज? यस, क्विकली.
This and that.
This and that.
Yes, so this
These
and that, like find
those.
two singular demonstrative. Yes, these are singular, this and that are singular. Find two plural demonstrative pronoun. Yes, Mr. Hamdan.
That and sorry.
These are those.
Those.
Yeah, these and those. It means like plural demonstrative. Which sentence
Plural
shows
demonstrative.
something new? Yes, Mr. Iram Rizvi, can you tell? Third,
Yes, sir.
which
Sir,
sentence
this is my
shows-
classroom.
Yes,
This is my classroom shows something near, and also these are my books show something near.
yes. It means like you understand. Which sentence shows something far? Rukhsar Sheikh, can you tell? Like which sentence shows something far? कौन सा सेंटेंस इसमें है जो ये बताता है कि वो चीज दूर है, जो दूर के लिए हम यूज कर रहे हैं? Like you can read the like this, that, these, those. हमने पढ़ा ना, those far के लिए आता है. हाँ? Yes. So you have
Those
to
are
understand like this.
Those are horse.
Yes, yes, great. So now we have completed, I think we have completed this chapter. So test 1 basic grammar is there, and short answer is there, demonstrative, advanced application section correction also there, rewriting is there, like we have to rewrite it, that is a car in plural form, rewrite. These are my pens, in singular form you have to write. Okay, there are lots of practice sheet, and also there are answer key. You don't have to see in first. First you have to solve by yourself. Then you can see the answer sheet. Okay, you don't have to see in first without
Okay, sir.
practicing. Okay, so these are the worksheet which I have included, and this is the recap of the chapter. Okay, so now anyone can summarize like what we learn in today's chapter. Like you can just give the overview in 2 minutes. What we learn in this chapter? Yes,
Sir,
Kiran
we
Rizvi.
We learned in these chapters.
Yes, Abdur Rahman. Yes, speak.
We learn in this chapter demonstrative is like that, this, that, this, those,
Okay.
like this. They said this is my book. That is my shoe, my pen.
Mhm.
Example.
Okay, yes. So it
These
means
are
like you
books,
understand.
and
Okay.
those are students.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Abdur Rahman. So we have completed our demonstrative chapter. So tomorrow we will continue the new chapter, and you have to prepare. Okay. What happened with
Okay,
this
inshallah.
WhatsApp? So I think Mr. Asif is not there.
Arey, I'm there. Hello.
Okay, Mr. Asif is there. So I was thinking you left the class because you were on the way.
No.
Okay.
I'm always available.
Okay. So you are available. What happened? I don't know. Let's see. So now we are going to move on our newspaper reading section. Okay. but I don't know what happened with the WhatsApp, why it is not working. Let me check. So Mr. Asif, have you reached at your home? Hello. Okay, so we don't have so much time. We
You
have
asked
to
me.
do it
Hello.
quickly. Yes, I was asking like, have you reached at your home? Please listen everyone. If you don't have to speak, so please keep mute yourself. Okay. If you are going to speak anything, so you can unmute and speak. So now we are going to read the news which I have sent it in the WhatsApp group. So let's read it. I don't know how many of you open this news.
Sir, I already read it
Okay, done. Great.
and also go through with those meanings which you sent on the group.
Okay. So it means like you are a serious student and you are curious about learning English. So we have to take
Yes,
some
sir. I
time.
want to improve it
Yes.
quickly.
Yes. So if you want to improve quickly, so we have to do efforts quickly. Okay. Like you are doing. So I have already sent the word meaning of the news, which you can go through. And there is a news which I have already sent in the morning. I was in the cab, so I just got these news. So today we are going to read these news. So let's start. We don't have lots of time. So PM Modi gets call from Qatar's Amir after 12 Indian dies in LNG facility explosion. PM Narendra Modi received a call from Qatar's Amir Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Sani after 12 Indians were killed in an explosion at the Ras Laffan LNG complex. PM Modi thanked him for his condolences, saying, "We both share the grief of the families who have lost their loved ones and pray for the speedy recovery of those injured." So, like we don't have too much time, I'm not going to say to everyone like Eram Rizvi, can you read this news? Or Mr. Abdurrahman, Hamdan, Sheikh Asif, Ruksar, because we don't have lots of time. So in the past we were doing like everyone will reading the news, then we were understanding. So now I want to ask, have you understand this news properly? Have you all
Yes, sir.
understand or not? If not, please ask the word meaning. Like PM Modi gets call from Qatar's Amir. पीएम मोदी को एक कॉल मिला कतर के जो अमीर हैं उनसे, क्योंकि 12 इंडियंस जो है वो मर गए, उनका इंतकाल हो गया इन एलएनजी फैसिलिटी एक्सप्लोजन। क्योंकि कोई एलएनजी फैसिलिटी है, कोई फैक्ट्री है एलएनजी की, जिसमें बहुत ही बड़ा धमाका हो गया इसकी वजह से। यस शेख आसिफ, आर यू सेइंग समथिंग?
What the grief
No,
meaning? Grief meaning.
Okay, so let's yes, we are understanding from the heading. So have you got the heading? Understand the heading?
Yes.
yes.
Okay. Yes. So now let's read further. PM Narendra Modi received a call from Qatar's Amir Sheikh. PM नरेंद्र मोदी को एक कॉल मिला अमीर कतर के जो अमीर हैं शेख तमीम बिन हमद अल सानी आफ्टर 12 इंडियंस वर किल्ड इन एन एक्सप्लोजन। 12 इंडियन मर गए हैं एक्सप्लोजन। डू यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सप्लोजन?
Yes, sir.
एक्सप्लोजन
A
मतलब
kind
धमाका
of
होना, ठीक है?
blast.
यस यस धमाका,
धमाका।
यस एक्सप्लोजन मीन्स धमाका एट द रास लफान एलएनजी कॉम्प्लेक्स। ये जो एलएनजी कॉम्प्लेक्स है उसका नाम है। पीएम मोदी थैंक्ड हिम फॉर हिज कॉन्डोलेंस। पीएम मोदी ने थैंक्ड किया है उनके कॉन्डोलेंस की वजह से. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ कॉन्डोलेंस? एनीवन कैन टेल?
Expression of sympathy.
Yes, expression of
Expression of
this.
sympathy.
Yes, so expression of sympathy, like they are telling like we are with the families, they died in this explosion. इस तरह से बोलते हैं ना लोग, उसी को बोलते हैं condolences. Saying we both share the grief of the families who have lost their loved ones and pray for the speedy recovery. तो उन्होंने बोला कि हम दोनों लोग शेयर करते हैं. What is the meaning of grief? ग्रीफ का मीनिंग क्या है?
A severe hurt or
ग्रेट
a severe
सैडनेस.
injury.
ग्रेट सैडनेस. ओके, ग्रेट सैडनेस स्पेशली बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. लाइक बहुत ही ज्यादा जब कोई दुखी होता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं. जब कोई मर गया है तो बहुत ज्यादा दुखी होते हैं लोग, उसको हम बोलते हैं ग्रीफ. ठीक है. ऑफ द फैमिलीज हु हैव लॉस्ट देयर लाइफ.
Okay.
वो फैमिली जो लोग अपनी जिंदगी गंवा चुके हैं इसमें, और स्पीडी रिकवरी ऑफ दोस इंजर्ड. और जो लोग इंजर्ड हैं उनके लिए मतलब बोला है कि बहुत ही जल्द वो लोग रिकवर हो जाए. सो नाउ आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस न्यूज. डन?
Yes, sir, got it.
Yes. Like we learn the word meaning. You are not going to memorize in one, like you listen and you are going to memorize. You have to read now after the class by yourself, and you have to see the sentences like, okay, so this is the meaning of this sentence. So I have to make some more sentences with this meaning. You have to do this activity by yourself. Okay. So next news is there. I think should we start our speaking activity because it is 8:50.
Yes, sir.
Or there were also two news. Okay, let's read. Okay, let's read this. Okay, so anyone can read this news. Who is going to read?
So can I?
Yes, you can read fast.
Picture shows Bharat written on nameplate as NSA. Ajit Doval delivers speech at BRICS meet. The nameplate kept in front of India's National Security Advisor Ajit Doval as he delivered the speech at the BRICS NSA meeting in New Delhi in Bharat. A picture of the same has surfaced on social media. During the speech, Ajit Doval said, BRICS is a very special coalition of countries that believe in peace, progress, development, and cooperation.
Yes. So now, yes, you read very well. So everyone understand, like I think there is no any difficult word in this news. It is so easy. But apart from this, if anyone like think like this is difficult for me, so please ask. Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, have you understand the news?
Last
cooperation,
second line.
Which?
cooperation,
कोऑपरेशन. कोऑपरेशन मतलब मिल करके जो काम करते हैं, दो लोग मिलते हैं ना, उसको हम बोलते हैं कोऑपरेशन. आई नीड योर
last
कोऑपरेशन इन द
second
क्लास. मुझे आपकी मतलब कोऑपरेट करो बोलते नहीं, कोऑपरेट करो मतलब मिल करके बात करके कुछ भी करो, उसको बोलते हैं कोऑपरेशन. और एनी अदर वर्ड?
The second line, last second line is a very special
coalition,
ओके, कोलिजन.
coalition.
Yes, let's see. What is the mean? Iram Rizvi. COALITION. Collision. So this is a mean like
Sir,
a
when two
government
countries-
formed by two or more political parties working together. Okay, government formed. So like BRICS, there is a one BRICS summit. So this is called. This is, you understand, like this is coalition. जब कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होता है जिसमें दो या उससे ज्यादा कंट्रीज मिल करके काम करती है ना, उसको बोलते हैं कोलिजन.
jihad, unity,
यस. Ittihad, unity, you can say. So like BRICS is a coalition. ब्रिक्स में बहुत सारी कंट्रीज मेंबर हैं, तो उसी को बोला यहाँ पे कोलिशन. सो नाउ आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड and listen carefully. So every
Yes,
day
yes.
I just send one news article, and there is a meaning. If you have time, 5 minutes, so take the time and read this. Like believe is there, and faith is there, and believer is also there. So everything I have given there. Okay, everything I have given there, and you can read is like explosion. So I have created this type like explosion. Pronunciation you can see. English meaning a sudden violent burst. अचानक से कोई भी violent हुआ, धमाका हुआ. And Hindi meaning विस्फोट, और उर्दू मीनिंग धमाका. एंड सेंटेंसेस like the explosion damaged several buildings. Authorities investigated the explosion. So we have to use this word. अगर आपके पास 5 मिनट मिलता है तो इसको बस एक बार पढ़ लिया करो, तो भी आपको कम से कम मतलब आइडिया होगा कि इस वर्ड, इसमें कौन कौन से वर्ड हैं, और इजी होगा. ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंड? Okay, so we have done our newspaper reading activity, and this is 8:44. Okay, so now everyone, let's start our speaking part. So now we are going to speak on the topic. What is our today's topic? Mr. Abdul Rahman, have you remembered?
Sir, the role of women in society.
Yes, the role of women
Yes, I
in the
have
society.
remembered.
So today we are going to read on this particular topic, and I have already sent the content. How many of you read the content in the group about the women, the role of women in the society? How many of you read that particular
Sir,
content?
I read the content.
Okay, Mr. Hamdan, have you read? Have
Yes.
you read? Abdur Rahman, have you read that content?
Yes.
Mr. Arif?
Yes, my brother, I
Mr.
agree.
Arif, have you read?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, done. So, Mr. Rukhsar Sheikh, have you read that content? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, okay, done. So now I think whatever the information you have, you can just start speaking. So I will suggest, like if you are going to speak, you have to turn on the camera if it is possible, and this is not for girls. Okay, so I'm not forcing to open. This is only for boys. If you are going to speak, so you have to open the camera and you have to just start speaking. So hello everyone, good evening. Our today's topic is the role of women in the society. So today I'm going to talk about this particular topic. So if I talk about the women, so women is not only the part of the society, they are the foundation of the society. Why? They are in the society, and they are becoming, they are doing lots of things in the society. How? In form of mother, in form of wife, in form of sister, and they are playing lots of roles. Like they are also doing household things, and they are also becoming teachers, engineers, and they are also achieving lots of things. If we talk about the past, like there was nothing about the women, and then also our constitution came. So there are some relief the constitution has given about the women. So I'm not going to say like what you have to speak. Anything related to women you can speak, anything. Okay, so let's start speaking. Mr. Sheikh Arif, you, yes, start.
My name is Asim, not Arif. First.
There is a, yeah, there is an email ID MD Arif, so I said like Arif. Okay, so sorry, Sheikh Asif.
But when we are meet in office, so you know that what is my actual name. So you will I will change my accent. So you
Okay,
can
okay.
ask
So
me.
I will pronounce like Sheikh Asif. You can start.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone.
Walaikum salam.
So this is related to women. So women, women they are work so hard in terms of anything. When when I see that the people, the girl, they will work hard, and they will sacrifice for I don't know how many sacrifices they are doing this, but they are sacrificed a lot in terms of, for example, in terms of they have a dreams. For example, I have a lots of girls, those who are dream, but they are not achieving just because of the relatives. So we know that the relatives are like for so, uh, so that is the reason the women work hard. Even they are work for men also, and the women will be work in their home, and they will work, and the woman wait, sorry, wait.
Okay.
अभी बाहर से आया है ना, तो इसलिए थोड़ा एकदम बॉडी एकदम गर्म है, so wait.
Okay.
So मैं आज to the someone, so after that I will be,
Okay. Don't
क्योंकि
worry.
थोड़ा
So
अभी
yes, yes. So Mr. Abdurrahman, can you start speaking on this particular topic and try to open the camera? Then you can start speaking. Okay.
Camera open?
Yes. If you are going to open, it will
Yes,
increase
yes.
your confidence.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, everyone.
Walaikum
Good
salam.
evening. Today I am going to speak about role of women in our society. I have seen a lots of women who is working hard working in her house, like that he cooked food for every person, for every man and a woman, like that. And women are available in every field, like that. Office party office, and leaders, and uh, students, like this, like etc वगैरह. And I understand woman is very powerful in this world, like that. She play in everything. She can do anything. She is a improve. She improve, like that. She earns some money from the sewing machine, and she teach us, like that, English and Hindi, and it is lots of subjects, like that. And this much only. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Okay, great, amazing, Mr. Abdurrahman. You speak very well, but there are some grammatical mistake which we have to improve. Like the women, we are pronouncing like women. So women, this is a plural. So we have to say like women
Yes,
are
yes, yes.
doing. Women are doing. Okay. So we are going to improve
Okay,
it
okay.
gradually. Okay, but everything is was good. Great, great, amazing. So yes, Mr. Hamdan, you can speak now. Open the camera and start speaking.
Okay.
Yes.
And Assalamu alaikum and good evening, everyone. Today I am going to speak about the role of women in society.
Your camera is not
First,
open.
women open.
Okay. So yes.
Women play a very important role in every society, and They are the foundation of strong of our families and successful in communication, and a woman performs many responsibilities, many responsibilities in her life, and she is a daughter, sister, teacher, doctor, engineer, and etc. Through hard work and dedication, she helped in the progress of society and the nation. Women are the first teacher of the student, and they teach good manners, values, and life skills, and they help children become responsible and educated citizens in the workplace. Uh, thank you.
Okay, so great. It was very amazing, Mr. Hamdan. You speak very well, but there are some grammatical mistake which you are going to improve if you are going to practice every day. Like women, women are. Okay, we have to use women are doing lots of great things. So you are going to just improve yourself. Okay, if you are going to speak regularly, but everything was good.
Okay.
Yes, but try to
Hello, Shafiq.
yes.
Sorry to interrupt. You can continue. After that, I will be take this.
So Mr.
Okay.
Hamdan has done his speech. So now you will speak.
Okay. Yes, I can.
Okay. So yes, Sheikh Asif, you can start speaking.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum to everyone.
Walaikum
So
salam.
today's topic is related to okay. So women work hard for their family and even a husband and even a child and family and so on. So I will give you one example. Example is okay. I have an example, so I will give it to you. When I am a child, at the in 2022, I saw that one woman she worked hard for their family. So her husband he lost the business and he lost around maybe a 10 at that time the 10 lakh maybe whereas he lost it so his mind was he never worked for his family so he take he take a responsibility to the family they have a 5 members to have a 5 member, even she never went to the school. So even so, how can I manage? So woman is very powerful girl. Sorry, woman is very powerful. She can do anything. In the even if they are not went to the school and they don't have a hand, it can be anything. But they will work and they will, if they have a responsibility, so they will be they will be good. The meaning of that one is impossible the women will do everything. So they have never so that is impossible. So at that time she learned the machine. Oh, she सिलाई machine रहता है ना she
Yes.
learned with the machine and she worked for the she worked at she worked for the 16 hours a day. So he got it only one piece. He got it only so the one piece completed at 30 minutes she work it, so she will get a 2 rupees. Yeah, so can you get it at that time when she has a husband lost it and her husband is drinking that darus and all. And at that time when he is and anxiety and all, but still she will be managed in family, husband, relatives, and all the even our relatives are not coming to that family so just because they are poor. Even they don't have a food, yeah, food. This food to serve the man. What is the meaning of man? I don't know. Sorry, relatives. So, so at that time I realized that women, women is work for that family, child, and everyone. She work it for that family. And right now, that when I saw that the family and she will, uh, uh, she will be teach her child or her daughter. So right now they are very powerful people and they are work for the multinational companies. And right now they have around they are peacefully living. So the message is related to this. Uh, so everyone, if you are getting anything like that, okay, so maybe difficulties in your family. We have that. We know that we are not a rich family. We are a middle class. So if you are even if you have a hard time, so you will be manage it. बोलते ना एक एग्जांपल है कि अंधेरा है तो उजाला भी जरूर आएगा ऐसा नहीं है कि इवन इफ यू नो दैट कि the BJP we know that he is a powerful right now so they will be target on the Muslims but अभी अंधेरा it's okay one day I realized that कि अंधेरा है it may be a come to the ujala after that rays is I don't know about in English so that's why I'm saying in Hindi
Yes, sunshine.
so but that so
Brightness.
everyone
Okay.
will be focused and will
Okay. Okay.
work
Done.
hard
Okay, Sheikh Asif,
that's it thank
have
you.
you completed your speech?
यस भाई जाने दो मुझे
Okay,
मैं करूँगा
okay,
भाई मुझे
okay,
नमाज जाने का
done,
टाइम
done, done, done. Sheikh Asif, it was great and amazing. You told us one story about the women. Like women are so powerful. They are doing lots of hard work, and yes, so it was good.
ओके
So there are some like
यू
mistakes
नो
we are doing,
हेलो
but yes,
हेलो हेलो वन द वुमन इज शी इज माय मॉम थैंक यू
yes. Okay, okay, great. Okay, it was amazing, great. So, like you speak very well, and we are improving. What do you think? We are improving or not?
yes I have some suggestions today I am sending that audio so you will get it
Okay, okay. So
okay
you can
so you will do
send.
it
Yes.
okay
So yes, let's see Iram Rizvi. So you can start the topic which we have
हेलो
prepared.
शफीक
Yes.
should I leave the class okay sorry thank
Okay. You can stay 2 or 3 minutes, then you can leave. Okay.
you
Yes, Iram Rizvi, can we start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum salam.
Today's topic is the role of women in society. So as we all know that women is one of the most powerful gender uh, because women deals with so many things and faces so many kinds of challenges and also women suppressed from gender inequality from the past period of the time like I'm a student of law and this is one of the most important reason why I choose law as a girl because in my opinion I thought that it is very necessary to every girl to know about law that so she can fight against injustice like in previous like in pre era or in ancient time period I read in my history book that women's are suppressed by the male dominating society which is still suppressing no doubt uh, typical patriarchy culture still suppress women and but the thing is that in that time period one of the most harsh thing against women is that the society put rigid customs and traditions on women which were very inhuman against the moral values and humanity. For example, all we know about sati pratha. It was one of the most cruel practice which was practiced in Hinduism by saying that it was a tradition or culture or it was written in Vedas, blah blah. But as we all know that it was just exploiting women and damages their rights. And there are so many other evil practices also in that time period, like early child marriages and for the system, and also forced women to stay in home and denied educational rights and treat them like inferior caste or inferior gender. And the males always thought that they are superior than women, and women just belong to the kitchens and the household chores, and there is no need to provide them education. But there were some intellectual men which raised voice against these kind of evil practices, like one of the most famous Indian personality, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, also called the father of modern India. He raised his voice against sati pratha and also many other evil practices like denied of educational and property rights against women. He said that there was no customs or traditions or no spiritual sections regarding this, that women are inferior and women only belong to kitchen and women do not have right to education and not to contribute in society's other field like business, education and politics, etc. So with the and other men also, like Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, and there are so many personality, all we know about them. uh, they contributed their thoughts in society and try to motivate society to accept women as a human, and also give them all the rights which they deserve. And after their struggle and challenges faced by women, and also so many women's raised voice for them, the society changed, no doubt. Women got educational rights, women got participation in politics, economics, business, and in so many other fields. But still we are seeing that there are a section of men society which still thought that women's are unequal, women's are not equal to them, and women's are inferior from them. In my opinion, those kind of stupid people are very bad because they contain a very superstitious and very raw and very bad mentality about women status. No doubt women condition improve, but currently it is duty of every citizen of India, especially in my opinion all the males, that they have to provide women safety and also secure their status, because I read somewhere Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said that a progress nation is known by how their women's are treated. If they treat their women's well, the nation the nation got progress, and they suppress their women, the nation not developed. Like sir, you told that women is a first educator. So this saying related with that. That's all. Thank you so much.
Okay, it was great and amazing. Okay, you speak very well. and you have lots of knowledge about the content. So this was the main important thing. Like if anyone is able to express his thoughts, but if he has doesn't enough information, so what he is going to speak? So you have the enough information and you have read the books, so you speak very well, and everything was good. So just I want to ask one thing, like are you thinking about lots of about the grammatical thing, like am I making any mistake, or am I speaking correctly or not? Like this, you are thinking about yourself.
Yes, sir. These kind of thoughts came in my mind while I'm speaking like that. If that if I made grammatical mistakes, or
Okay.
there is no fluency in my
But I will suggest, like,
you got
genuinely, I
what
want
I
to
want to say.
give you the feedback. Like, the way you speak is very good. There is no grammatical mistake. There is no big grammatical mistake which is going to impact your speaking. So everything is good. Just we have to practice more on a regular basis, because whatever we are going to learn, whatever we are going to just listen, so we are going to improve ourselves. If there will be any grammatical mistake which will be very huge, so I am going to tell you. Otherwise, there is no grammatical mistake in your speaking. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir. Thank you so much, sir.
yes, it was great and amazing. You are speaking very well. I just appreciate the way you speak. So,
Thank
Rukhsar
you so
Sheikh,
much, sir.
you can just give your introduction. Like yesterday, you also have given your introduction, and today you can give
Hello.
your introduction in 2 or 3 minutes. Then we are going to close our class because it's 9:20. Yes,
Hello,
start.
I have leave the class.
No,
Hello.
wait. Let's listen the introduction of Rukhsar Sheikh. She's a new student. So after 3 minutes, you can go.
No,
Yes.
I'm going to Moscow.
Okay, just mute yourself and listen. Yes.
Hello, sir.
So can you speak louder, because I am unable to get your voice properly if you start speaking. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm able. I am listening. You can just start about telling about yourself. You can give your introduction.
My name is Rukhsar Sheikh. I am currently live in Mumbai. I am from Mumbai.
Okay.
I currently hello.
Yes, yes, I'm listening. You can just continue.
Okay. I am from UP, but currently live in Mumbai.
Okay. About your
I am
education.
completed graduation in Bachelor of Arts from UP.
Okay.
My English is weak, but I try to improve. My hobby is reading book. My goal is speak English in public. Thank you.
Okay, done. So, yes, it is good, it is great. If you are able to speak after 2 days, so yes, okay, it is good. So, have you written your introduction in your diary or notebook?
जी
Have you written it or not?
notebook
आपने अपना
written
इंट्रोडक्शन नोटबुक या
my
डायरी में लिखा या नहीं लिखा?
लिखा है
लिखा है. Okay, so like if anyone is in beginner phase, so if he is going to write, then he is going to speak, it will be more better. I was in beginning period. जब मैं beginning period में था, मैं अलीगढ़ में था. So what I was doing, I was reading or I was listening. So I just try to write it first. Then मैं पार्क में चला जाता था और वहां पे रिकॉर्ड करता था। सो इससे क्या होता था कि हमारे जो थॉट्स हैं ना, वो पहले से डायरी में लिखे हुए हैं, पॉइंटर्स डायरी में लिखे हुए हैं कि मुझे क्या क्या बोलना है, क्या क्या बात करनी है। सो मैं यहाँ पे आया और मैंने प्रैक्टिस कर लिया। सो यू आर गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव मोर इफ लाइक, ये तुम्हारे लिए स्पेशली, कुछ लोगों के लिए है राइटिंग, जैसे यहाँ पे नूर मोहम्मद है और रुखसार शेख हैं और मिस्टर हमदान ऑल्सो। You all can just write then speak. I'm not going to say like Iram Rizvi, you have to write, because she is able to speak. She will read anything, then she can express his thoughts. सो जो बिगिनिंग लेवल पे होते हैं ना, उनके लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि इंट्रोडक्शन है, इंट्रोडक्शन को डायरी में लिख लो। सो माइंड में एक छप जाएगा कि हाँ, इंट्रोडक्शन को मैंने डायरी में लिखा है। सबसे पहले मुझे नाम बताना है, उसके बाद ग्रीटिंग करना है, नाम बताना है, मैं कहाँ रह रही हूँ, कहाँ की हूँ, और मैंने क्या क्वालिफिकेशंस किया है, क्या हमारी हॉबीज है। सो ये सब बताना है और कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। सो ओके, नाउ वी are missed the namaz for today. So now I am going to for the namaz, and we have completed our class. So assalamu alaikum, good night everyone. Let's meet, we will meet tomorrow inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Shalom.